Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Kubi Icelandic wool thermal glove liners. So these are basically an undersuit for your hands if you're wearing dry glove systems, so your hands are staying dry, you need that insulating layer on the inside. These are a nice warm natural fibre made from Icelandic wool, and yeah, they're nice and thin so you still have plenty of dexterity. Let's see what actually arrives at your front door. So this is how they arrive, a little paper bag, which is kind of cool. On the inside, you get the gloves themselves, and that is it. So yeah, the gloves themselves, they are nice and thin, so plenty of dexterity. They feel like wool, pretty strong wool though. Pretty neat, tight cuffs as well, so they're not, well, they shouldn't get in the way of your dry glove cuff seals. A little bit of Kubi branding on it, which is kind of cool. No left or right, they seem ambidextrous, and then putting them on, yeah. They come out about the right size. So normally I'm a size large. These are a size large, so yeah, they come up to size pretty well. And yeah, they're a little bit scratchy because it's wool. It's as scratchy as wool typically is, but nice amount of flexibility, decent dexterity, and no uncomfortable seams or stitching in any way. Yeah, that cuff is decent length. I'd probably be putting that over my cuff seal, but yeah, you could sort of push it up if you really needed it to, and it's not going to be uncomfortable. Yeah, they're starting to get pretty warm already. So yeah, a nice sort of clever thermal lining. One nice thing about this Icelandic wool is there's kind of two types of natural fibre in it. There's one that works well to insulate and kind of trap the air, keep the heat in, but there's also a different one which actually helps to keep you warm even when wet. So if you do get a small leak, you probably won't even notice. Your hands will still be pretty dry and feeling warm. But yeah, if you're diving in colder temperatures or longer dives where you feel like you're going to need a bit more insulation to keep your warmth in your hands up, then yeah, this is definitely worth considering. So those are the Kubi Icelandic woolen glove liners, something to keep your hands nice and warm whilst you're in your dry gloves, but you still have dexterity. You don't want anything too big or bulky whilst you're diving because you can still do the complicated tasks. Natural fibre is always nice, even when they do get a little bit wet, they do still work to keep you nice and warm. Definitely worth checking out. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below to check these out. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.